A very happy morning, children. Today I am going to teach you a lesson in moral science. The title of the lesson is Rani Lakshmi Bai. Britishers ruled our country more than 200 years. Our leaders fought for our country's freedom. They shed their tears and blood for our country's freedom. They sacrificed their lives. They fought against the Britishers very bravely. Today, we are going to learn one of the bravest women who had fought against the mighty Britishers, Rani Lakshmi Bai. Who fought against the mighty Britishers was Rani Lakshmi Bai. She took birth at Varanasi in Uttar Pradesh. Her father was an important minister at the royal court of Bajiro. She was popularly known as Manu when she was a young girl. She was not only brilliant in studies but also an expert in shooting. Horse riding was her cardinal passion. Manu enjoyed her childhood with two sons of Bajiro, Nana Sahib and Rao Sahib. She was acting the role of royal queen and Nana Sahib played the character of a soldier. He with another soldier went before the queen and said, "Your Highness, this man is a traitor. He induced people to fight among themselves." On hearing this, Manu got very angry and ordered to hang the man till death in front of the entire people. At this time, Nana Sahib reminded Manu that it was just a character play. Manu, please control on yourself. He advised her not to talk foolishly about the Britishers openly. But she didn't mind. She shouted in a loud voice, "I never considered British as our true rulers. They have come here only to destroy the wealth of India." Seeing Manu's extreme love for the country, Nana Sahib soon let the curtains down to halt the play. Manu was married to Gangadhar Rao, who was the king of Jhansi. Then she was known as the Rani of Jhansi. She gave birth to a son who died very soon and she adopted Damodar Rao as her son. After the unfortunate death of the king, Lord Dalhousie, the Governor General of India, decided to take over Jhansi as he did not have a natural legal heir. The Britishers had refused to accept Damodar as the natural legal heir of Jhansi. They ordered Jhansi Rani Lakshmi Bai to leave immediately, but Rani Lakshmi Bai refused to leave Jhansi. Then the British soldiers attacked the state of Jhansi. A fierce battle was fought between the army of Jhansi under the strong leadership of Rani Lakshmi Bai and Britishers. Many women were actively participated in the fierce battle. All the men and women fought very bravely against the Britishers. The battle continued for many days. The British decided to capture Jhansi by killing the ruling queen of Jhansi. So they secretly planned to attack the strong fort in the midnight. When Rani Lakshmi Bai came to know about it, she left the fort with her trusted followers. She began to march towards Kalpi to avoid being caught by the Britishers. The British officer suddenly saw her escaping and hence started chasing her along with his soldiers. The two parties again came across in a fierce battle at Gwalior. Rani Lakshmi Bai fought very bravely, but very soon all her associates were killed. She rode away very fast on her horse to get away from the clutches of the British till she reached a river bank. There it was not possible to escape now. The British army encircled her and the brave queen was brutally killed. The last words spoken by her were, "I wish my dead body should never be touched by my enemy Britishers, but only by Indians." The moral of this lesson is we should fight for our rights. Go through this lesson, children. Thank you.